to admit that we couldn't control the drink, no matter how we fit. We tried to decide, try to be strong, but the drink was too powerful, it was too far gone. I turned it over to God, I let him take the wheel. No longer trapped, no longer a slave to how I feel. The power of grace, the power of peace, with every prayer my soul finds release. I trust him with all that I am. Letting go of the past, letting go of the dam. Through his grace, I found my way. Each step forward, each new day. Now I stand strong, with nothing to fear. For in his hands, I know I'm near. Now I stand strong, with nothing to fear. For in his hands, I know I'm near. Now I stand strong, with nothing to fear. For in his hands, I know I'm near.